Hello guys, welcome to our channel Code with Arun Chahar. Today I'll be teaching you how we're going to create a beautiful looking login page via Tailwind CSS within 5 minutes. Yes, within 5 minutes we're going to create this great looking page. If you see my computer screen, it looks great, it feels great. Matter of fact, it's completely responsive. This is how it looks on the mobile phone. It has even the hover effect on the button. So without making more delay, let's get into the code. So this is a complete scratch. We're going to start from the complete scratch. So first of all, when you wanted to learn or start from Tailwind, you're going to search Tailwind on the Google. Going to bring to the official website. We have get started button. Click on it. Let's use the CDN. I'm going to copy paste the link and let's paste it. So I remove the old code and we have a brand new Tailwind setup right here. Hello world. Let's jump into the code. So when we wanted to make that login page, what we're supposed to do, we're going to start with a section. Let me say section and let me put the classes. We'll go ahead. Let's start PG gray. Density gonna be 200. Screen gonna be H. Screen means complete from top to bottom. Justify center. Content gonna be in center. Item center, vertically center. And let's say flex. Then I'm gonna make a different div. I'll say padding 4, then shadow, and let me see what I can do. PG white. Let's make it white so it looks more real within that box. Then I'm gonna say, wait, W 350. We can define the width in pixel by saying W in Tailwind, and we let me make P4 so we have enough padding. And I'll make one more div within it, and let me say H1, and I'll say log in, and I'm gonna say class text 3XL. It's gonna increase the font size to 3 times, and let's say semi bold. It'll make partial bold the font. Let's see how it looks like. See that it's already getting the shape. So what we did, we made height 100%, and item center, justify center is making it exactly center. Now below this H1, I'm gonna put a P tag. Let's say start your log in to start your session. Pretty much it. I'm gonna give a margin bottom 3 to this div. And along with this div, parallelly, I'm gonna make one more div within this card. And I will be saying last gonna be margin bottom 3. Let's take a label and I'm gonna say email or username, right? Then I'll say use input tag, and I'm gonna say input gonna be text, and let's put the classes. W full means guys 100% width. Then I'll say border. I'm gonna use gray. Let's say 300. Let's see how it looks like. I'm gonna give some padding. Let's say padding 1.5 should be enough. Perfect. Looks great. Then I'm gonna say gray 400. It should more visible. Yeah, perfect. Now let me make the rounded. I'm gonna say rounded. SM is enough. Perfect. Looks fine. Then that's pretty much it. Let me make one more div. Within this div, I'm gonna take a label for password. Password. Let's take the input tag and the type gonna be password. That's starting the class. W full with 100% border gray 400, same rounded SM, and let's check it out. I'm gonna say padding 1.5. That's very easy peasy. See that, guys? That's pretty simple and very straightforward. So you can see I have a form. Even if I show you on the mobile version, it looks great. So below this, I'm gonna add one more A tag. I'll say, let me see, a tag, and I'm gonna give some classes like text blue 600, and I'm gonna say forgot password. Perfect. It is looking great. And below this, I'm gonna say a div which gonna give a margin top of 3, and let me add a button, and the button type gonna be submit, and let's add our classes. Now W full means width full. Then I'm gonna say BG, that's for background color, and I'm gonna say blue, let's say 600. Then I'll say text white. Let's see how it looks like. I'm gonna have to write in log in, right? Perfect. Let's give some padding. Padding, I'm gonna say, let's give it 2. Perfect. Let's make it rounded. Then I'll say rounded full. Now it is really looking awesome, guys. See that? Now I wanted to add one more kind of animation when we hover it. So hover BG blue 700. So when someone hovers on it, the color changes. See that? So the form is complete. It took less than 5 minutes. It looks great. It feels great. It does the job, guys. Please subscribe for more tutorials on coding, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Laravel. I try to teach everything. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for your time. Have a good one. Bye for now.